Children, now we are going to learn about different types of organic reactions. Number 1, substitution. Number 2, addition reaction. Number 3, elimination reaction. Number 4, oxidation and reduction reaction. Fifth one, rearrangement reaction. Then the combination of the above. So first, substitution reaction. What is meant by substitution reaction? In this reaction, an atom or a group of atoms attached to a carbon atom replaced or displaced by a new atom or a group of atoms. One atom can be replaced by another atom. That is called substitution reaction or displacement reaction. Divides into 3 types. Number 1, nucleophilic substitution. Number 2, electrophilic substitution. Number 3, free radical substitution. Nucleophilic, best example, alkyl halide, that is methyl bromide, CH3Br, OH minus, a nucleophile. So the Br is replaced by OH. So CH3OH, Br moves out. This is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. In the place of Br, OH replaces. Next, electrophilic substitution. Take benzene and an electrophile having a positive charge NO2 plus. Benzene CH. Total formula is C6H6. So instead of one hydrogen, this comes inside. So benzene CH. H is removed out, H plus. In that place NO2 occupies. Nitrobenzene. Benzene becomes nitrobenzene. Free radical substitution. Methane CH4 plus Cl free radical. Free radical means dot should be there. It is a neutral species. It's not a cation or an anion. So instead of one H here, one H, the Cl replaces. So CH3 HCl plus HCl. So a radical. First this radical, but here Cl is a radical, here methyl is a radical. 3 types of substitution reaction. Next book, whatever now I am teaching, that is more enough, you can mark it in the book. Now addition reaction. Next one, addition reaction. Addition reaction means 2 molecules combine to give a single product. 2 molecules combine to give a single product. This is also classified into 3. Number 1, electrophilic addition. Number 2, nucleophilic addition. Number 3, free radical addition. Electrophilic addition, nucleophilic addition, free radical addition. Electrophilic, just example, take ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. When treated with bromine, Br2, just adds, this Br2 just added here, one Br this side, one Br this side. So the double bond becomes into a single bond. So CH2Br, CH2Br. This is ethene dibromide, or common name ethylene dibromide. Just added. No other reaction happens, only adding. This is called electrophilic addition. Next, nucleophilic addition. Take acetaldehyde, CH3CH2 acetaldehyde. HCN is added. So, see carbon now giving CH3, CH. Here this H combines with the O, forming OH, then CN. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin, just added in the presence of an nucleophile OH minus. So this is acetaldehyde, this is acetaldehyde cyanohydrin, just add. Next, free radical addition. Take same ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 plus HBr hydrogen bromide in the presence of benzoyl peroxide. Already I have taught in homolytic fission the formula for benzoyl peroxide. So here this hydrogen added here, this Br added here. So CH3, CH2, Br, ethyl bromide. Here this is the initiator, this peroxide, this is the initiator for this reaction. Next, elimination reaction. Elimination means two substituents are eliminated from the molecule and a new carbon-carbon double bond is formed between the carbon atoms to which the eliminated groups are previously attached. For example, propyl bromide. Prop means 3 carbon atoms. Bromide, propyl bromide. Now we can balance. Carbon having 4 valency, already 2 bonds, so CH2. This carbon also 2 bonds CH2. This carbon only 1 bond CH2. This is called propyl bromide. Bromide in the presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide. This is the alpha carbon which is near to the functional group. This is the beta carbon. This next gamma goes on. Here when this potassium hydroxide here OH minus in presence of a nucleophile, this OH abstracts a proton from this beta carbon. So removed as water molecule. At the same time this Br also removed. So giving this OH takes 1 hydrogen from here. From the alpha carbon Br is removed. From the beta carbon 1 hydrogen is removed with this OH forming water. From the beta carbon HOH, alpha carbon Br removed. So here the single bond becomes into a double bond. CH3, CH, 1 hydrogen removed, double bond CH2. Single bond becomes a double bond. This is propene. This is propene. So elimination reaction means groups eliminated, so the carbon-carbon single bond becomes into carbon-carbon double bond. Next, oxidation reduction reactions. Oxidation means addition of oxygen, loss of hydrogen. Reduction means addition of hydrogen, loss of oxygen. So acetaldehyde. Example acetaldehyde, CH3CHO oxidized in the presence of potassium dichromate, acidified potassium K2Cr2O7. Just oxygen atom is added here. So aldehyde group becomes into an acid group, CH3COOH, acetic acid. Oxidation. Now reduction. Take benzene, CH, C6H6, 3 single bond and 3 double bond, alternate single and double bond, reduced in the presence of a platinum. 3 hydrogen added inside, so these bonds are removed. The product is cyclohexane. Bond will not be there. Instead of the bond, hydrogen add CH2, here only CH. Here CH2, 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 CH2. This is called cyclohexane. Cyclohexane in the presence of a platinum reducing agent. Next, rearrangement. Before that, one more. Functional group interconversion. Functional group interconversion. One functional group can be converted into another functional group. For example, acid group, COOH group converted into an alcoholic group. but in a book a specific example given for only alcoholic group, that is primary alcoholic group, CH3, CH2OH, when oxidized in the presence of potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7, this alcoholic group converted to aldehyde group CH3CHO, alcohol group converted to aldehyde group. Now same reaction when get reduced in the presence of lithium aluminium hydride, aldehyde group converted to alcoholic group. Oxidation, alcohol group converted to aldehyde group. On reduction, aldehyde group converted to alcoholic group. Children, everything given clearly in the book page number from 171 to 174. But whatever I taught here, just you mark in the book, that only enough. You can go through other examples, don't want to go through. Whatever I taught here in this video, just you mark it in the book and learn all this one. Substitution, addition, elimination, oxidation and reduction and rearrangement, functional group interconversion.